Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, November the 16th, November the 17th, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page six extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku. We have two binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars. And the last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. 6 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all, well, it's too much for me, and I've already solved one regular puzzle, the medium Sudoku. So, there's a lot of puzzles for this weekend. Let me start with the 4 stars Sudoku. 4 stars Sudoku number 9603. 9603. Before I start, I always count the print the digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Wow. A 4 star Sudoku has always 24. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, the publisher has indicated with this one with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Question is it a 4 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 317. Well, in 6 here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column 3, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2, need a 2 here. Alright, and now the 1 here. How about? Come on. The 1 here. Need a 3 here. Need 3 there. Yep, I'm thinking. Need 7 there. Yeah. 9. Need an 8 here. Need a 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Need a 9 here. Eight here, need an 8 here. 8. Yep. 4 missing numbers. Wait. Need a 5. Yeah, I need to think here. Need an 8. In this column, we need a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 marks. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3. And need a 7 here. Well. Need a 1 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 6, yep. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. We have 6 in this row, no 6 in that box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 6 in that third column, so the column 3. Second column, the only 3 places left on 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. We have a 6 in the row above, no 6 there. The only place left on 6 should be there. Need a 5 here. One of the missing number in the second column is the number 5. Here, give me 5. We have 5 in the first row. No 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 numbers left now. I believe the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We need a 3 in this big square. We have 3 in this row, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those two boxes in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places level 3 could be here, could be there. 3, 3, 3, 3. In this big square, we need a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these two boxes. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 in that box. So one box level 3 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 3 here or there. Okay. Let me think. Need a 7 here. Need an 8 there. Come on. Need an 8 there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row. Only two places left, 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5. Need a 4, need a 9. 4, 9, and this 7. Okay, in this big square, we need a 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in the last row, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So one is left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 in these two boxes. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 in that box. So one box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. Then one of the missing number is a 9 in this big square. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square goes together with the 3 as a pair. 9 and 3, 9 and a 3. So one is left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 box left now in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so need a 5 here. Come on. Need a 4 here. We have a pair, the 1 and the 4 in this row, the 1 and the 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Well, we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then, let me see. Need a 5 here. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 in that column, no 5 there. The only place left the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 3, the 6, 3, and 6. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be in the 6 goes and there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left. The 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 6 here. Okay, what are these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9, 2, 9. Nope, cannot finish it. 2, 7, 9. Alright. How about? 1, 1, okay. 1, 1. 1, 1. 8, 8. Well, in this big square we need an 8. The 8 should be in one of these 3 boxes. So we have a 8 in one of these 3 boxes. In this column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left with 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the last row, no 8 there. The only place left with 8 should be there. Four. Come on. 1. 1. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. 7. Well. Need a 7 here. I'm thinking. Come on. Oh, 9 and a 3. We already have a 9 in the middle row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with the 3. We have a 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. So the 8 and the 6 are left. 8 and the 6. Here 4 and 8. That means the 8, 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 goes there. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be here. 1 in the 4, we have 1 now in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then, let me see. Need a 2 here. 4 and a 7. 2, 4, 7. 8, 6, and 8, 8. 6 and 4. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left with 6. Could be here, could be there. Come on. 1, 3, 3, 3. How about a 2? 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing here. 4, 4. And I need a 7 here also. 7 can be here. Could be here. Could be there. 4, 7, and 9. Alright, 2 numbers left in the last row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. Need a 2 here, okay. 2 to 9, we have a 2 now in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 9 should be here. 9 and 7, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 7 goes there. We have a pair, the 2 and the 7 in this row, the 2 and the 7 in the last row. So the row between only 2 place level, the 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square. For number 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 4 should be there. 4 and 8, we have 4 now in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 and a 6, we have an 8 in the middle row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9, we have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, we have 7 now. In the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 2, 7, 9. We have a 7 now, so the 2 and the 9 are left. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes in there. Alright, final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. For 60 minutes. Well, we sold again, Definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.